by January, this time, when you take the test, we're expecting that 90 of you will reach that goal. Okay? Do we have the end of the year on there or no? Okay. So that means, do the math. Who can do the math? How many kids is that? How many more kids do we need to make it? Who's got it figured out? Nick, you got it figured out? I'm sorry? 14. Excellent job. Thank you. 14 more students. I think we can do that. Don't you think so, third grader? I think maybe you'll do more than that.
Okay, just to convince us, third grade, let me hear. You're going to say, do you believe in me? And all the adults, just third grade, all the adults will answer 1, 2, 3. We believe in you. All right, let's look at fourth grade.
All right, fourth graders, you had 71 students that have already met the goal. Now, wait a minute. Don't get too comfortable. Just because you made a goal now doesn't mean you can slack off if you think, oh, I probably already made my goal. That doesn't mean you should stop. You should work just as hard, because we don't want any kids that you did make the goal at the beginning not to make the goal now, right? So 71 of you did at the beginning of the school year. This testing week, we hope that 90 of you make it. We didn't want to say all of you yet. We want to give you till the end of the school year. Who's doing the math? How many kids is that? How many kids is that? 71 and 90, what is it? 19 more students. All right, awesome job. So grade 4, let's hear what you got to say.
Grade 4, 1, 2, 3. The goal gets higher too. The goal in October or the goal in September is different from the goal now, so that does impress upon what she said. Even if you met the goal in the fall, you got to work that much harder to meet it now. Okay, let's look at fifth grade.
Of course it got harder, because you've learned a bunch since you've been here, right? So of course it got harder. Okay, fifth graders, 77 at the beginning of the school year met the goal, and we want those 77 kids to still meet it again. And then we want to get you to 90 also. Who's got the math? Who's got the math? Who's got it? Noah? Is it 17? Try again. Thank you, Noah. I believe in you. I knew you could get it. Good job. Awesome. All right, so we need 13 more fifth graders to make it, but we would love it if even more than that made it.
Okay, now second